Hey guys, so if you're having a holiday office party or you just want to surprise the kiddos for Christmas, this Santa costume right here is a hit. This is a 10-piece Santa costume. It comes with everything you need from shoe, boot covers here, the gloves, even has a belt and a bag that goes with it. This costume here is a size small medium. This model here is 5'9", about 160 pounds, and it fits him great. This costume's so well made. The velvet is super soft with the fur. I love that shiny gold belt it has. It definitely hits everything that original Santa Claus should have. Don't forget to stuff that pillow right there in the midsection to give him that extra little jolly spirit. It has a really nice zipper for the jacket, so it's easy to put on and off when you're getting ready. The beard is really nice. It has a strap that just goes right around. You can see it goes right around the back of your head. It comes with a white-haired curly wig and a hat for on top. I love that it comes with the bag too, so you can go ahead and put all the fun toys in there for the kiddos. And the gloves are a really nice touch. So if you are looking for that holiday spirit in a Santa costume,
Merry Christmas!
this one right here is a great pick. Thanks for watching.